Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You can see I'm using macOS Sequoia on my PC, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install macOS Sequoia on any Windows PC. So if you want to install macOS Sequoia Dual Boot on your system, please watch this video till the end. So without getting much more delayed, let's get started. And between this process, if you find any difficulty or any error, you can let me know in the comment section below. So friends, first of all, you'll have to create a drive minimum 100 GB to install macOS. You can see that I have already a drive 116 GB. First of all, you have to rename this drive to the name of the drive as a macOS and hit the enter key. Click on continue. Now it's done. Now you have to download this tool, CPU's application, to determine your system hardware requirements and the UEFI as well system, and then Explorer++, then manual partition, then the command. Command will be given in the description, then the already Sequoia file, and finally the root tools. So everything downloading link will be given in the description. Now you will have to open your browser and search for Olorilla and to open the very first link. Here you will have to click on vanilla images, scroll a little bit, and here you'll find Olorilla Sequoia 15. Just click on here and download. Now you will have to click on UEFI folders, minimize this. And now this time you'll have to install CPU's application. After installing, just open the CPU-Z, click on yes. On the CPU section, you'll find the code name. In my case, the code name is Copylake. Now you'll have to go to the browser and scroll a little bit. As I'm using desktop, I'll have to download desktop UEFI. And if you're using laptop, then you'll have to download laptop UEFI. From here, you'll have to download as per your system. After downloading, minimize the browser, close it, download everything. And now you'll have to install manual partition. Now you'll have to double tap on root tools, click on yes. Now you'll have to insert minimum 32 GB pen drive to your PC. For macOS Sudama and Sequoia, it's needed 32 GB of storage. Click on select, go to download folder, click on all. Now everything is here. Select Olorilla Sequoia, click on open. Now it's selected. Now you'll have to click on start. Before starting, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, because in this process, you will lose every data on your pen drive. Click on start, click on OK. Now it's started. You will have to wait 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. When it's completed, it will show ready. Click on close. Now you will have to open manual partition. Click on yes, click on launch. Now you will have to select your pen drive and right click on the UEFI folder, click change later, click on OK. Now click on apply. Click on yes, click on OK. Minimize this. Go to the folder again and here you will find Open Core and Explorer++. Extract these two files. Open the file, select it and drag and drop it to the desktop. Also the UEFI. Now it's done. Now close the file. Now you will have to open Explorer++. Right click on the file, select Run as administrator, click on yes. Now here is the UEFI drive, open it, and here is the UEFI. Now you will have to go to desktop and here you will find the UEFI, open it, select this two, right click on it, select copy, go to this PC, open the UEFI folder, right click on here, paste it. Replace the file destination. Now it's done. When it's done, close it. Again, go to manual partition and select the UEFI, right click on it, change later, click on OK and click on apply. Click on yes. Now it's done. Close it. Now you will have to restore your PC. Now you'll have to access your BIOS menu. To access the BIOS menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. Now on the BIOS menu, set the following parameters. After changing all the parameters, click on exit. And this time you'll have to access the boot menu. To access the boot menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. From the boot menu, select your pen drive and hit the enter key. And here you'll find this option, select install macOS 15 beta and click on enter key. Wait a few seconds. Now on the screen, select this utility, click on continue. Click on the drop down, select show all devices. Select the macOS drive which we have created earlier, select erase. On the drop down, select APFS, click on erase. Now it's done, click on done, close it. Select install macOS 15 beta, click on continue, select agree, again select agree. Now you will have to select the drive as macOS, click on continue. Now we have to wait 15 to 30 minutes to complete the installation process. During the installation, your PC may restart several times. Every time your PC restarts, you'll have to access the boot menu, and from the boot menu, boot your PC from the USB. Whenever your PC restarts, you'll have to access your boot menu and select the pen drive and hit the enter key. This time you will see macOS installer. You will have to select the macOS installer and hit the enter key. Here you'll have to wait for a few minutes. Now again you have to access the boot menu, select your pen drive with the enter key. Now this time you will see macOS. Select the macOS and hit the enter key. Now in the screen, select your region and then click on continue. Click on continue. Click on not now. If you have internet connection, it will connect automatically. Otherwise, you can select this option. My computer does not connect to the internet. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on not now. Click on agree. Again, click on agree. Here you'll have to type your call name. Account name will be automatically populated. Type your password, whichever you want to try. And here you can type your password hint. Here you can change your logo. Click on continue. Here you can enable your location service, or you can disable it. Click on continue. Again, click on continue. Select set later. Select your theme and click on continue. Just wait a few seconds. Click on continue. macOS Sequoia is installed to your PC. Click on quit. Now you'll have to open install macOS partition beta. Select the files folder and copy it to the desktop. It's copied. Now open the files. And here open core configurator. Click on allow. And here it is opened. Now click on tools. Select mount EFI. Now here you'll have to find out the EFI folder of macOS partition beta. Choose and select mount partition. Put your macOS passwords and click on OK. Now it's done. Click on open partition. Partition is opened. Open the EFI folder and go to this application. Now you'll have to open the SSD. That is in my case 256GB SSD where I have installed macOS Sequoia. Select open partition. Put this to here. Now you can close this. Minimize this. Open the EFI folder here. Select this too. Right click on them. Copy. Right click on here. Select paste to items. Select replace. Replaced. Now close it. Close it. Now you will have to restore your PC to Windows. Now you'll have to click on the search menu. Search for CMD run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here you'll have to type this command. The command will be given in the description too. Hit the enter key. Now it's completed. Now you will have to restore your PC again. Now you can see its dual boot menu is here. If you want to boot Windows, you can select the Windows and if you want to boot macOS, then you can select macOS and hit the enter key. macOS will boot. Congratulations, you have successfully installed macOS Sequoia on your PC. Thanks for watching.